In this video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek API. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. DeepSeek API offers advanced AI-driven search and data retrieval, enabling precise and efficient information extraction. It's ideal for businesses and developers looking to enhance search accuracy and automate knowledge discovery. To get started with DeepSeek AI, open your browser and go to the official DeepSeek AI website. If you don't have the exact URL, search for DeepSeek AI in any search engine and click on the first result. On the homepage, click on the API Platform option in the top left corner. This will take you to the API section, where you can manage API keys and monitor usage. Log in using your credentials, and you'll be redirected to the API dashboard, where you can view daily usage, monthly expenses, and top-up balances. On the left-hand menu, click on API Keys. In the new window, select Create New API Key. Enter a name and click Create API Key. The system will generate an alphanumeric key. Copy and store it securely. You can create multiple API keys, and all generated keys will be listed in the dashboard. To delete a key, click on the trash icon next to it. Go to the Billing section, where you'll find topped-up and granted options for managing payments and balances. For API integration, check the documentation, which covers authentication, request methods, and supported languages like Python and Node.js. The API integration section in the left-hand menu provides further details. For help, visit the FAQ section or click Contact Us to chat with customer support. And if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.